Hello, beloved fellow humans, star seeds, light workers, indigos, star children, star blossoms. I come with an urgent message. And this is not a message of fear. This is a message of love and of hope. And so this message is coming through the Magdalene frequency right now. I've been told to come on camera, which I very rarely do. And come out to you with a very simple little exercise that everyone can do on this planet. And that is to come into your heart space. We spend so much of our time up here in the mind, thinking, processing, whatever we're doing. And the clarion call for right now with what's going on in the planet is to come into your heart space. And so this is a clarion call from the divine teams, for every single human to come into their heart and to emanate love. Because the heart is the greatest secret of secrets that has been kept from humanity for a long time. And so I'm just going to do a really simple meditation where you can follow me, follow my words, and use your imagination to activate and open your heart. And many people, say, well, live from your heart, live from love, live from this, live from the heart space, but they have no clue how to get into the heart. So just close your eyes for a moment, take some deep breaths. In through the nose, and like you're blowing out a candle through your mouth. And take 10 of these deep breaths. Very simple. In through the nose and out through the mouth like you're blowing out a candle. And now just imagine that your consciousness is in your head, the awareness that you have of life and your journey through life, and just allow that to drop down through a little ladder that goes all the way down into your heart. And just imagine you're coming into your heart space, into a beautiful sphere of light. And you walk through the sphere of light and you see a beautiful lotus flower. And just observe the lotus flower opening in the sunlight of your consciousness. And step up into the middle of the flower. And you will be surrounded by the flames of divine love, wisdom, and sovereignty. And see those beautiful purple, emeralds, and turquoise flames flowing all around you, burning off everything that's not love, burning off the illusion of this world. And so just allow yourself to feel immense grace and compassion for everyone on the earth right now that is going through this grand initiation. And this grand initiation is called love. So take another breath here. And just in front of you is the most beautiful golden pearl. A golden pearl that contains the seat of your soul. So take a step inside the pearl, come into the brilliant white light of source love that waits here for you. And just breathe this brilliant white light of source into your heart, into your body, into your family, into your community, into your country, because you are that powerful that you can do this. And so just breathe the brilliant white light of Source and Mother, Father, God into your family and your community and your home right now. Because my teacher always taught me through the lineage of the divine feminine that when we become this pearl love, when we become this source love, we have the power to change reality for the better. And so what happens when you come into this pearl, into this beautiful space of divine love? You've come home. And this is the power of the human heart. And this is a clarion call for all of you to come in to the heart space, to come home, to feel the real love that you are and all our fellow humans are, and to emanate that love out into our world, our families, our communities, our countries. It's time to live from the heart. And so by doing that, we change reality to the higher timeline called unconditional loving beingness. So for now, just stay in that pearl, stay in the white light of the pearl source love and become the pearl. We also call this through sciences as the 0 point or the divine feminine principle of science that has been long denied to humanity. So for now, feel the joy of that love, emanate that love, become a beacon of that love, become that love, because that is who you truly are. And stay there, stay there. My teacher once told me that if there was an earthquake or a volcano or something huge happening in the illusion, if I stayed in my heart, the illusion would fall apart right around me, and there would be a beautiful piece of land, of Gaia, holding me and a pathway off into something better. And what I've just shared with you is the key to that place. But only love can do this. Only love can be the bridge to heaven on earth. And that's why many of us are here. So I'm talking to your human heart right now. I'm talking to your soul. I'm not talking to your head or your mind. I am bypassing whatever you're thinking right now and allowing you to come into that love that you are, that is intrinsically part of the human being, not a human doing, a human being, love. And so it is.